Right now, our Sentiment API is showing an interesting divergence. Sentiment is at plus 0.03, despite a notable momentum drop of minus 1.55 over the last 24 hours. This indicates that while the overall sentiment is slightly positive, the declining momentum suggests a potential shift in the underlying narrative around artificial intelligence. When you call our API, you get a comprehensive response, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters that highlight 17 distinct themes. This can help you pinpoint emerging trends or shifts in user perception. For example, if you're developing a feature to monitor public opinion on AI technologies, this data can help you gauge sentiment shifts in real time, alerting you to changing user attitudes before they become mainstream. To dive deeper into how to leverage this, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.